Hello there, it's Brendan from B Burnside Property Maintenance here. I want to tell you about these GripIt Plasterboard fixings, which I've been asked to give a little review on. Anyway, here's one of the larger fixings that I've taken out of another packet that I already had. And unlike your traditional plasterboard fixings, these will actually clamp onto the plasterboard rather than screwing into it, giving a far stronger fixing. I would have liked to have shown you them in actual use, but unfortunately the job that I've just done is for a vulnerable person, and I'm not allowed to film in their property. But I have just used 4 of these to hang a 65-inch TV onto a dot dab wall, and it's as solid as if it was in concrete. So they're very simple to use. You find your appropriate size drill bit, drill through the plasterboard, and then tap your fixing into the hole. Once the fixing is in the hole, screwdriver in that slot, obviously aligning it so these fins will go vertical. Turn those, and that will then bring the wings out behind the plasterboard and fix it in position. So once you use your supplied bolt into the fixing and tighten it up, it then locks it absolutely solid. Brilliant product, and they are my go-to plasterboard fixings now. I won't use anything else, not since I've used these. Brilliant product.